Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will see how to use Haiper AI text-to-video and image-to-video generators. So let's dive right in. Haiper is a powerful perceptual foundation model-driven AI designed for a new path towards AGI. We're not only building a proprietary model that very few in the space have been able to accomplish, but also growing, evolving and aligning with the creator community at its center. Begin by visiting the Haiper AI website at Haiper AI. Next, locate the Start Creating button on the main page and click it. Once on the next page, select Create Video with Text at the top. A pop-up window will appear. Choose Login from there. Then, select your preferred login method. Upon completing the login process, find the text bar at the bottom of the page and enter your desired prompt. Subsequently, click on the Create button located on the right side of the bar. Haiper will take a few moments to generate your video, and you can view the generated video from Haiper. You can download this video by clicking on the down arrow icon beside the heart icon and under the video screen. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.